Hello everyone, welcome back. My name's Joey and today I am going to be clearing out my closet room. This is long overdue. I have definitely accumulated a little too much and now my closet is so packed. Let's start in this area first. Everything's kind of mixed here. Let's go through the pieces that I have. I actually wear this quite a bit, so for sure keeping that. Got this in Korea, summery blouse. Ugh, I have not worn this in years. I think I'm gonna keep this one. This is just a thicker long sleeve. This is V-neck long sleeve. I kind of wear this under stuff because this V is like
really, yeah.
Another black high collar long sleeve. I don't remember the last time I wore it. I'm actually gonna put this somewhere else. This is a off the shoulder long sleeve kind of bodycon dress. I think I bought this for the same occasion. I have worn this recently. This is my kind of blazer vest. I think the last time I wore this was Badlands 2 years ago. This blouse I wear a lot. It's such a nice material and it's very breathable. This is a more loose fitted turtleneck. These two are actually the same. It's cropped. I've had this for a while. Also stole this from my mom's closet, but I'm gonna keep it anyways. There's actually a hole in the armpit. Yeah, there's like a hole right here, but I usually always layer turtlenecks.
No one notices it.
That's my first piece that I've thrown out so far. I haven't worn it in a while, but I still really like this. Perfect. I have another turtleneck. I did not know I had this. Oh, this is an off-the-shoulder top. I think I stole this from my mom's closet way back. Wait, is this another one? This is an off-the-shoulder sweater dress, which I wore for my 31st birthday and haven't worn it since. This is an off-the-shoulder black sweater top. Oh my God, I'm so confused. This is another, there's a little bit of a different material here. Off the shoulder, long sleeve, black top. I feel like I have the same stuff. Off the shoulder, turtleneck. Yeah, I think this is a good reality check for me. Maybe I don't need any more off the shoulder tops. This is another off the shoulder long sleeve top with a bit of laundry pod stuck to it, so I'm gonna wash that. Now the room's looking even messier. Black sweater, I've had this since high school. It's from Garage. We got a t-shirt. I love wearing these with like flowy black pants. This is the same black t-shirt that I showed earlier, but I have it in this color. Polo, that's cropped. Okay, I have not worn this in a very long time. I got this in Korea when I went last year. Another polo crop. Really like the color on this. Also bought this retro Kodak shirt from Korea. Really like my mustard yellow. I have this leathery jacket. Oh my God, I think I should sell this. This is a macaw leather jacket and it honestly does not fit me. I've worn this a lot. Just a nice cover-up situation. I have another sweater crop. I love this. I wore this for Christmas this year. Red is supposed to be a very lucky color for my Chinese zodiac, so I'm gonna try to incorporate more red. Have another red long sleeve. This sweater, honestly, don't care for it. I can do like a white blouse and skirt combo with this. I don't have much color, so I think I'm just gonna keep it. I got this sweater in Korea, 2016, I think. Actually, it looks really good. I'm gonna keep it. Ooh, love this. Okay, this is from Zara. Honestly, this probably doesn't fit me anymore. I remember I bought this when I was in Rome or somewhere in Italy. My bestie bought me this. It's totally up my alley. It's turtlenecks. I wore this with like a turtleneck, black turtleneck underneath. Really nice formal attire. Working with turtlenecks. I don't even think this fits me. Turtleneck. I also wore this for Christmas. No. Okay, forest green in the back. Oh, that's where it went. I was looking for this jean skirt. Okay, don't care for this forest green sweater. This is so old. This is like a fleecy material. This definitely needs to go. Sweater dress. I don't know if I will wear this. Another sweater dress. I don't think I've ever worn this. Oh, this is a black dress. My favorite camping vest. I have these Aritzia sweaters in white and tanned. Got a tanned one down here. I'm gonna keep these. Oh, this is so old. Forever 21. I don't think I will wear this. This is Screaming 2016. I don't know why I'm holding on to this Aritzia vest. Oh, I have so much attachments to this vest because I loved it back in the day. Blazers. Black blazer. So this piece I got from Zara. Fell in love with the color. I've only worn it once in LA and I feel like this is too loud for Calgary. I don't think I'm gonna wear this. So this is donation. Moving on to this section. These dresses I wear. This tube top is like way too flowy. Last time I wore this was like LA. This is a Comme des Garçons shirt. I should probably put it on the other side. Tube top. Don't think I'm gonna wear that. Black tube top. Yeah. Might wear. This I wore for Stampede one year. I have all these tank tops. Why are there two? Is this the same? Don't think I care for this. Alright, I'm getting a little tired, so I'm fast tracking this right now. But basically, I finished reorganizing this whole section and kind of having a consistent theme throughout each part of the closet. This cabinet area is where I put all my makeup and skincare and any bathroom related stock. As you can see, I am the type of girl that has 2 or 3 of everything that I absolutely love. This is my favorite hairspray. Just trying to reorganize so it's a little bit more efficient. After hours and hours of cleaning and reorganizing, I am finally done with the closet room. This is the final result. Here I have all my clothes, and they're nicely organized and color-coded. Makeup and skincare section is also organized based on bins, and my vanity is now tidy. Moving into the drawer section, I've organized the first drawer with all my outdoor accessories. The second drawer is my bajillion sets of pajamas. This drawer is all my athletic wear. We have all my workout tops, leggings, and sport bras. Definitely really needed to organize this drawer. And lastly, the bottom drawer is filled with all my Kirkland sweaters, sweatpants, and crew necks. Thank you guys so much for watching this closet cleanout video, and I'll see you in the next one.